Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. Now I'm in Dubai, but next month, 8th and 9th, I'm planning to come to Bengaluru for a workshop. So those who are interested may subscribe to our workshop in Bengaluru, contact our office. The contact numbers are given in the description. The US markets closed higher, but it was very volatile. Just let me tell you what happened in US market just yesterday and today. Yesterday, it went down 0.5%, shot up 1.5%, came down 1%, and closed almost flat, but moved both the sides, more than 3%. Yesterday, again, the same thing, just opposite. Went up 0.5%, came down 1.5%, again up 1%. So US market like this only, potential to move, like 3% a day, 6% in 2 trading sessions. And the best part of the joke is that it is such a large market cap. The market cap of one company in US is equal to the entire market cap of all the Indian companies. Then you can imagine the kind of volatility. So as a trader, you must be happy that you are trading in India than in US. It's very volatile. Asian markets are mostly higher. That's because, US is government is under shutdown for more than 2 weeks. And Trump always is irrational, tweeting against India and China. But despite that, the corporate results seems to be good. And some banks have come out with the good results. So because of that, the market has gone up in US. So that positive sentiment is spilling over to Asian markets also. And I think I told you yesterday, after a very long time, now we tend to move along with the global markets. So because Asian markets are higher, US futures are higher. Now the GIFT Nifty futures is also higher by about 40-50 points. But the fact is that yesterday evening, Axis Bank came out with a very bad set of numbers. And the Axis Bank ADR, it's not ADR, I think it's GDR, Global Depository Receipt, trading in London Stock Exchange. I think it is down by about 1.2%. So which means that, in all possibilities, Axis Bank is likely to do very bad today, may fall more than 1%. But we need to see how much of that fall will be spilled over to other banking stocks. But looking at US ADR, both ICICI Bank and HDFC Bank ADRs are higher. In fact, HDFC Bank ADR is higher significantly, I think more than 2%. So, first thing is that the Bank Nifty will be under focus. So whether the Bank Nifty will continue to move higher or overall profit booking will come, or maybe only Axis Bank fall but other banks will go higher. So that possibility is also there. But anyway, there will be a lot of speculation ahead of HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank results on Saturday. And on the other side, yesterday, I think in the morning, the people were just managing the index, because of optimism, markets were higher. So HDFC Bank alone was trading in negative territory. In the afternoon, HDFC Bank started picking up. So they started selling Reliance Industries. I think yesterday, Reliance fell more than 10 rupees from intraday high to intraday low. I think it closed at the lowest level. So why we talk about Reliance HDFC Bank? Because, they influence the Nifty. The broader market is different. Broader market, look at the stocks like MCX, like people are crazy about gold and silver, but now they are crazy about stock exchanges where gold and silver are being traded actively. So, as expected, HDFC AMC result was better. The people keep on pumping in the money in mutual funds. So that's likely to do well. On the other hand, Angel One result is not really very good. So that's because, because of this huge volatility and a lot of policy uncertainties, I think number of traders are getting out of the market. So as per some report, about 26 lakh people have left their trading in the last few months. So overall, broking companies are not expected to declare good results. Other stock market related entities like MCX or particularly gold and silver related stocks are likely to do well. IT, so far, so good. They did not go up, but at least they did not come down. So after the results, TCS was down, but HCL Technology and Tech Mahindra were higher. And today, market will be focusing on Infosys. Yesterday, 20 rupees fall in Infosys. But let us see what is going to happen today ahead of its results today evening. So now stock specific actions will continue. And as I told you, around Deepavali, we used to be usually optimistic, positive. And if any correction usually comes after that. Last year was an exception. Last year, September, we reached a peak. In the October itself, we started selling aggressively by FIIs. So, yesterday was a very, very pleasantly surprising market. The previous day's high was taken out. And today, opening itself is going to be higher than yesterday's high. That's because, yesterday the market closed around the highest point of the day. And so we need to see whether this momentum sustains and how far the market can move. And clearly, as I told you last week, for next 2 days, the resistance is at 25,500 and there are multiple resistances between 25,500 and 25,650. So that's a resistance zone. Now, clearly, support seems to be around 25,000. And weekly options, even 25,300 put option has been added in huge quantities. So, let us see what is going to happen. Keep watching for yesterday's low and 25,500 on the higher side. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.